Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Roshmi from Kolkata. Today I am going to show you printed silk with few tasar bafta. Let's start sari number 1. As you know, the price of my silk is 3550 and the discounted price is 3400. But now till 14th March you will get all the silks at 3300. Here is the blouse, here is a palla. This is palla. The material of silk will remain same, but the discount will increase by 100 rupees and the price is, offer price is 3300 till 14th March. See, here is the body. This is Rangoli body. See, with both side border, and the blouse piece is printed. This is the blouse piece. Dripping view of the sari. Price is 3300 and all the silks are silk mark certified. Sari number 1. Sari number 2 on white base. Palla portion. Palla portion, the entire body is like this. Again the price is 3300 with silk mark certification. This is Rani color. The flowers are peach with Rani and green leaves are there. This is the dripping view. And the blouse piece of this sari is Rani color. Here is the blouse piece. Price is 3300. The price is 3300. Sari number 2. These all are printed silk. Sari number 3. The color is garnet color. This is garnet color with green discharge print. Here is the palla. This is the view, wrapping view. Wrapping view of the sari. The price is 3300. This offer is till 14th April. See, this is the blouse piece. Wrapping view of the sari. Wrapping view of the sari. Palla portion, sari number 3. Viewers, if you like the program, share with your friends, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of the next episode. My contact number is 93308 66384. Sari number 4. Palla portion. Sorry, this is not palla, this is blouse piece. I will show you the palla. Palla portion. This is palla portion. This is the entire body. See, this is the entire body. Price is again 3300 with silk mark certification and the blouse of this sari is Rani color. This is the entire sari. This is the view of the entire sari. Blouse piece is Rani color. Price is 3300 with silk mark certification. If you want to book, take a screenshot and WhatsApp me on my number 93308 66384. You can call me also for booking. Another piece, yellow with orange. See how pretty it is, this one. Yellow sari with orange discharge. This is palla portion and this is the entire body. The yellow color with this orange border and white and with the discharge print throughout the body. Throughout the body with the discharge print, and the blouse piece is also yellow. This is the view of the sari. Sari number 6, half and half. half portion is Rani color and the rest half is with the printed body. Sorry. Palla portion. Palla portion, half sari is like this. This is half portion and the rest half with Rani color. The blouse is also Rani of this sari. This is the blouse. I will show you the exact view of the sari. This is the view and the half portion is Rani color. Price is again 3,300. This offer is valid till 14th April. Sari number 7. This is brown color, brown with floral discharge print. Palla portion. Palla portion. This is the entire body. Brown. The base color is brown with floral print. The entire body is like this. This is the entire body and the price is again 3,300. We deliver throughout India and the courier charges is absolutely free. There is no shipping charges. I think again I made the mistake. Palla. This is Palla. And the entire sari white with peach color. White with peach and the blouse piece of this sari is also peach. Very sober looking sari. Price 3,300. Blouse piece. Next one. This is magenta color with color discharge. Palla portion. Entire body is like this. This is the view of the entire body. Price again 3,300. See, this is the view of the entire sari. This is the view of the entire sari and here is the blouse piece. Price is as usual 3,300. This one, black with orange. Black with orange. Palla portion. And here is the view. This is the design. It will be like this. Black with orange. The entire sari with the lower border only. See. And the blouse piece is also orange and the price is 3,300. There is no shipping charges, no delivery charges. 3,300 all inclusive. Palla portion. This is the entire body with sunflower motif, yellow and orange with green leaves. See, bright as well as sober sari. And the blouse piece of this sari is red. Here is the blouse piece. Price is again 3,300. Next one, blue with orange combination. Royal blue with orange. Palla portion, entire body with this floral print. The color is navy blue with orange combination, and the blouse piece of this saree is also orange. Here is the blouse piece. The price is 3,300. I will show you the draping view. See, this is the view of the saree. Saree number 13. This is lavender color or deep mauve color, you can say. Palla portion, entire body. Here is the entire body, palla, and the blouse piece. This is the body, and the blouse piece of this saree is also same. Here is the blouse piece. Price again 3,300. Next one, this is saree number 14, blue combination. Palla portion and the entire body like this with the gun spray and discharge print. Here is the entire body with two types of blue. Price 3,300. Price again 3,300. And the blouse piece of this saree is royal blue. Here is the blouse piece. Price is 3,300. Next one, another white. From palla, the entire saree is with this zigzag print, and this is the border. It will be the view, and the blouse piece of this saree is black. Here is the blouse piece. The blouse piece of this saree is black, and this is the draping view of the saree. As you know, the price is again 3,300. Another printed silk, palla portion, entire body with gun spray, This is the entire body, view of the entire body, and the blouse piece of this saree is mauve color, deep mauve. See, this is the draping view of the saree. Price 3,300. Now I will show you some bafta, Tasar bafta. The price of this sarees are 3,450, but now the price is 3,105. Now the price is 3,105. These all are Tasar bafta. Very comfortable material. Palla portion. Here is the body, grey color with color discharge. The base color is grey, light grey with color discharge, very colorful. Now the offer price is 3,105. 3,105 is the offer price. Here is the entire view of the saree, Tasar bafta. Entire view. Very comfortable material, as you know, and here is the blouse piece. Tasar bafta number 1. Next one, this is on mauve color, another beautiful saree, palla portion, and this is the view. See, this is the view of the saree. This is the view of the sari, and the color is very sober and elegant, light mauve with color discharge. Here is a view of the entire sari, and the blouse piece is also mauve. Offer price is 3105. Now the offer price is 3105 till 14th April. Next one, yellow, palla portion, and the entire body with this butta. Very colorful, elegant sari, and comfortable material. As you know, Tasar Bafta is very comfortable material for summer. The price is, offer price is 3105. Here is the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. Price is 3105. Offer price is 3105. Next one. This is deep mauve color. Palla portion, and the entire body with this type of butta. See, the offer price is 3105. The offer price is 3105. Entire body with this type of butta, and here is the blouse piece. The blouse piece is striped. Here is the blouse piece. The color of this sari is mauve with blue. Offer price is 3105. The last sari of today's episode, palla portion. This is palla portion. Entire body is like this. Here is the color. Here is the color. This is biscuit color, deep biscuit color with rani and green color discharge print. Here is the entire view. This is the view of the entire sari. I will show you. This is the view. Tasar Bafta. Offer price is 3105. And this is the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. Viewers, if you want to book the saris, you can call or WhatsApp 9330866384. If you like the program, share with your friends and press the bell icon to get the notification of the next episode, and definitely subscribe.